Hi there, this is Drew from Passive Profits, and thank you for your interest in M1 Finance. Today we'll be walking you through some frequently asked questions to help you open your account. Please do yourself and me a favor and use the referral link in the description below. You'll get a $30 bonus when you sign up for M1 Finance today. I will also get a $30 bonus. If you sign up through the app or online, you will not get that $30 bonus. You have to use a referral link. Let's get started. M1 Finance is completely reimagining the way you interact with your investments, making it easy to create, manage, and visualize your investment portfolio. Here's how it works. You'll build your portfolio by choosing the stocks, funds, and pies in which you want to invest. Once you've chosen your investments, you simply set a percentage for each slice to designate its weight in your overall portfolio. For example, I've chosen a couple stocks to start with: Facebook, Amazon, Apple, and Google. Each is set to 25% of my portfolio. But if I want to invest more in Google and less in Apple, I may choose to change this to 40% and this to 10%. As I make changes to my target weights, they're immediately reflected in the visualization of my portfolio. When I make a deposit, that money will intelligently and automatically flow into my portfolio according to these percentages. So for example, if I deposit $100, 25 will flow into Facebook, 25 will flow into Amazon, 40 will go into Google, and 10 will go into Apple. So my portfolio always stays on track. In addition to adding single stocks and funds to your portfolio, you also have the option to add pies. You can add two types of pies to your portfolio: custom pies or expert pies. Custom pies are a collection of stocks and funds that you build and organize yourself. For example, you may create a custom pie called tech stocks, where you can add stocks like Apple or Microsoft. Expert pies are professionally designed to meet particular goals aligned with your risk tolerance, or allow you to easily invest in entire industries. You build your portfolio as you create your account. But don't worry, you don't have to assemble your perfect portfolio right now. This is just to give you a taste of how the M1 platform works. You can always make changes before you start investing and edit your portfolio at any point in time. After you've chosen your investments and provided your information, you have the option to connect your bank. This allows you to easily deposit or withdraw money from your M1 account. Don't worry, they never take money from your bank account unless you explicitly request they do. So to start, you'll land on this Connect Your Bank screen. You can search your bank with the search bar. If you can't find your bank in the lists, no worries. You can simply add your bank account using your account and routing numbers to initiate a connection with a micro deposit. Don't forget to use the referral link in the description below to get a free $30 when you deposit $100. You must use a referral link. Once your bank account is connected, you can make your first deposit. Just type in the amount you wish to add to your account and click confirm to start investing in your custom portfolio. If you're happy with your portfolio, you can connect your bank and start investing right away. If you want more time to explore the M1 app, first, you can always skip this for now by clicking "I'll do this later" at the bottom of your screen. Later, when you're happy with your portfolio and ready to make a deposit, just navigate to the funding screen in the app to add your bank. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, please feel free to use the comments down below to ask me anything. Also, do not forget to grab your free $30 when you deposit $100 in the link in the description below. You must use a referral link. And if you want to, you can always smash the like button or subscribe if you want future content.